Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. We will be having another edition of it again tonight, but before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something big. So many people have done this before. You too can also do the same thing. Now let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay guys, this was on downtrend before, but after getting to this support zone, it started buying, and it has been buying since then. Got to this resistance zone, had a pullback, and of course it was unable to break out below this support zone, so it went back on uptrend again. Okay, so it has gotten to this resistance zone, it has not been able to break out above it, so it's trying to go back on downtrend at the moment. Okay, we've gotten a sell signal, waiting for the trend signal to be fully on. Once it is on, then you can start selling from there. So this is selling at the moment, and of course if it does not break out above the resistance zone, then definitely it's going to sell for long. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. So guys, this is boom 500. This was on downtrend and came to an end around there, so it started playing around there but went back on uptrend till it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so right from there it has been selling, and it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 was on downtrend. There are major pullbacks in between, but it has gotten to this support zone. It was unable to break out below it, so it is buying at the moment. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500, and this had been on a major uptrend for a very long time, but when it got to this resistance zone, it started a downtrend. You can see the trend signal and you can see the sell signal, and of course it means that this is going to be selling. Okay, so the last asset we'll be checking out is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75. Right from this support zone, it started an uptrend. From there got to this region, had a pullback, but it's going back up again to see if it will break out above the resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, then it will keep on buying, but if it does not, it will go back on downtrend. But for now it is still buying. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos. Do your own personal research about it for you to understand how it works before you go fully into it. And of course, if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.